Common English phrases used at a clinic. I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor. Is the doctor available today? When is the earliest appointment available? I need to see a doctor as soon as possible. Can I reschedule my appointment? I have an appointment with Dr. James at 10 a.m. I am here to see the doctor. Do I need to fill out any forms? How long is the waiting time? I have a fever and a headache. I've been feeling dizzy lately. I have a sore throat and a cough. My stomach hurts. I have been experiencing chest pain. I think I have an infection. Can you take my temperature? Do I need a blood test? Will I need an X-ray? Is this a serious condition? What's the diagnosis? What medication should I take? How often should I take this medicine? Are there any side effects? Should I avoid certain foods or activities? Do I need to come back for another appointment?